Did you bring a ball with you? Wonderful. Now stay clear. Keep your eye on the ball. Everything is formed. This is what they call the explosion shot from the tee. Won't hurt you. Won't hurt you at all.
Oh.
Fair, boy. Wrong club. What? Wrong club.
When the world was in black and white, and Saturday smelled like popcorn light, Roy Rogers rode across our dreams on a 12-inch TV bright. Before the world learned how to fight with things you couldn't see, we built our forts from cardboard walls and lived in make-believe.